if you are in the 400K, we are going to be looking at what's available for you at this price point. Same rule applies. Don't look at homes at 400K if that is your max budget. Look at homes from 350 to the highest 380. So you can have 50 to like $20,000 worth of buffer to compete on your offer, because you're gonna be guaranteed to go over asking price just to submit a bid to get it entertained in this market. I'm telling you guys, the faster you realize that as a first-time home buyer, the sooner you're gonna find your home and you'll be moving in. The longer you play with that reality, you're just gonna frustrate yourself more, and prices are gonna keep going up every month. And next thing you know, the price you was willing to pay last month doesn't get you the same home you saw last month anymore. And that's what's going on right now. Okay, let me show you guys what you guys are gonna get when you guys are qualified for 400K. Okay, there's a lot more homes now. There's 39. Let's see what you get with 400K in Sac County. Okay, this is in North Sacramento over there by Highlands. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square foot. There is a tenant. The tenant is gonna be there for 30 days. Okay, do not disturb. So this one you need an appointment. So earlier when I was saying that if you're qualified for 300K or 400K and you're looking to submit an offer on a home at asking, you need to target a home that's been on the market longer than 30 days. Something like this. This home's been on the market for 281 days. And you can already tell why. Because there's a tenant. A lot of buyers might not want to deal with that, because what if they close on the house and the tenant doesn't move out? Now they're the new owners and they have to start evictions, etc. A lot of first-time home buyers are not prepared for that kind of role or responsibility. So they might skip out on a home like this. But let's just take a look at it, okay? This home does fall under the category of submitting an offer at asking, and your chances of it getting accepted is probably pretty high. All right, white and blue house, not bad. Vinyl laminate, okay. White walls, kitchen's kind of dated, but you know, it's okay. You can do some work on this. You can make it work. That's a long hallway.
Well, at least the angle seems like it is.
That's true. They use like a wide angle lens to make it bigger than it really is. It's not that long. It's just a photo. This room ain't that big too. It's just a photo. Is that a rug or a carpet? Oh, yeah, it's a rug. Okay. So they got tiles throughout the house. Not bad. Backyard's decent.
It is.
That's a big yard.
You don't get that a lot anymore.
Not at new builds now.
You can see your neighbor's shower with the new builds.
Let's go look at the next house. This house is way undervalued. They put it on the market low for a reason, because 95827 should be closer to 500K for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot. Why is that? Oh, it's a foreclosure. Okay. No showings until 4/9. Listing email, appointment, no text. Showings after Monday, Friday. Please give. Subject to foreclosure sale date getting postponed to May 3rd, and release of all liens. Okay, so the home is being sold as is. Okay, so this is a foreclosure. See, so just by looking at the area, I knew it was undervalued, but it's gonna go up because this area is worth about 500K. Just to give you guys a heads up. So if you qualify for 400K, I would even tell you, if you were my client, you're probably not going to win this bid. There's going to be a lot of investors bidding on it because they know the area. And even though, because watch, let's look at the house. An investor will probably buy this. It doesn't look bad. They probably buy it, clean it up a little bit, flip it.
Actually, Chia, there's a lot of banks out there that's in the foreclosure market and everything. They actually prefer to release it to primary residents first before they give it to investors, guys.
I think there's like 30-day, right? 30-day limit.
Yeah. So you just never know. If they have the offer that they want on a primary, they won't even entertain investors. So you never know.
Well, this is good. The fact that it's on the MLS and it's a foreclosure means that this bank is willing to take a mortgage.
Yeah.
A lot of foreclosures, it's cash. They don't want to deal with appraisals. But this one, they're looking for cash or conventional. Meaning that if it's FHA, it's probably not going to be qualified for FHA. So if you're a first-time home buyer, you're planning on utilizing FHA, which brings up another good point. When you're getting approved with your lender, find out if you have the option to go conventional. Because if you can, and the payment is not that far off, like what Lisa showed, it might be in your favor to go conventional because you have more options to homes. Like, for example, if you FHA on this home, you can't even bid on it because they won't even take FHA because of the condition of the home.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the condition. It doesn't seem to be that bad, but obviously there must be something
It's just
underlying.
a picture. It's just a picture. It might need dry rot. The bank probably doesn't want to pay for Section 1 clearance. So no VA is going to qualify for this either. See, so that's really good to know too as a first-time home buyer. Am I qualified for FHA only, or do I have the option to go conventional? Because if I go conventional, would it be good in my favor to utilize that? Because some condos, if you're looking into condos, won't go FHA because of the HOA, tenant to owner-occupier ratio. If it's too high of tenants over owners, they're not going to take FHA. They're only going to take conventional. So this home doesn't look bad. You know, it looks nice. Oh yeah, I can see dry rot.
Wow,
I can see it.
You're so good.
Rot. I can see some dry rot. Yeah, this home doesn't look bad, but the location of this is really ideal. Okay.
Yeah.
How does 400K look like? Can you run the numbers up?
Absolutely. Let me go ahead and share my screen there. So I'm just going to go straight to it, guys. Okay. So this is the $400,000 purchase price. Okay. Interest rate stays the same and everything like that. So monthly payment for FHA is $2776.62. Okay. 3% down. See, not that much of a difference.
Yeah, that's conventional.
5% down. Okay. There's a good amount of a difference, almost $200 a month. Okay. Then you go down here, cash to close on this one for FHA is almost $24,000. For 3% down conventional, it's about $22,000, and for 5% down, it's almost $30,000. Okay, guys.
There's the numbers. If you're looking into buying a home at 400K, that will be your scenario. That will be the home that you're looking into. And again, I'm gonna keep saying this because we're in that market right now, and I want to equip you guys to win in this market. You gotta go in with the mentality of looking at homes $50,000 to $20,000 below your max purchasing power. So that way you give yourself some buffer to compete when it comes to your offers. Because if you're out there, you saw a home and your max approval or your max budget you don't want to go over is 400K, and you went and looked at a home that was at 380. If your agent calls to find out there's multiple offers, chances are it ain't at 380. It's probably over 400K. I guarantee it. That's just the market. So the sooner you realize that and accept that as the truth, the sooner you're going to win in this market, and it's going to be quicker for you to find your home, okay? And I know you guys are asking, but what if I don't want to overcompete? What if I just want to give the seller what they're asking for? I think it's kind of like an ego thing because we get told by our friends and family that, oh man, you overpaid for that house. Why'd you go 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 above asking on that house? You overpaid for it. Look at it like this. How long is it going to take for it to go up in equity or go up in value that amount? A month? 2 months? 3 months? So would it be wise to get it now, paying that over, and start paying down the principal versus waiting till 3 months down the road for the market to catch up to it? Because by then, the home that you will qualify for at 500K is probably not going to no longer be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's probably going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath now at the highest. The home market price is on a trend up. Interest rate is also on the trend up, and it hasn't stopped. It's going to go up 6 more times. The Fed's already said that. That means it's working against your purchasing power. The higher your rates, the lower your purchasing power. The higher the price of the home, the lower the quality of the home for your same purchasing power. So you got to really decide how long you want the process to be for you and your family, or like, are you willing to bite the bullet now? You know, and that's only between you and your family that you guys can decide that. But it's something everybody should consider. because the market's going to catch up to it. Whether you buy it now over asking or buy it later in 3 months over asking, it's going to catch up to it.